Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs. Okay, this is a rat trap from Trash 2.0. Obviously a lot of people didn't have a fan shroud they can use, so I went ahead and made one by cutting a hole in the top of the lid for this. Now you usually have this tightened to half a turn or so it doesn't come off easily. I've already loosened it up because I want to show you another modification that was done. And it's a triggering mechanism. All it is a short piece of wire that I have bent into a 90-degree at the very top. These are some more bolts that I used before, used on another variant, but it's just to hold this coming down. So I'll have that lid there. Also, I put a little retainer made out of a soup can, and when this triggers, that retains it and holds it in place so that nothing can push its way back in. Hasn't really been necessary, but I'm just trying a few little things to go on. So what happens here is the rat eats a little piece of that avocado that's on there and takes the weight off of that lid. It swings into place and closes just like I demonstrated to you before. So there's no excuse not to make a simple trap. This is just stuff anybody has laying around. You have a clothes hanger wire, you have some bolts or some nuts that you found on the ground somewhere, you have a soup container here, and I guess if you don't have a pool you won't have a 5-gallon bucket of chemicals, but a lot of people do have them, and I don't really have any problem finding one. So I catch about 1 rat a night on this stuff and let them go. I have a lot in the area, and again, I'm really only catching in one area because and relocating them because I have camera traps that the rats keep triggering and eating up my batteries in that one area. Otherwise I could care less. I have avocado trees and gardens and all kinds of things in the area, and they don't eat more than I can eat, so I don't mind them enjoying themselves either. Also, they do attract the coyotes and bobcats and things like that I like taking videos of. So here is 2.0, and I may have some more. I have another one I'm thinking about making out of PVC and also a coffee can. So hold tuned for that. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.